Hey, do you want to install free SSL on your WordPress website and make your website secure from the phishing scams and hacking? If yes, then you are at the right place. Because in this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Cloudflare SSL in WordPress website for completely free. So let's get started. Let me show you the WordPress website on which we are going to install Cloudflare SSL. This website is hosted on Hostinger and domain registrar is Namecheap. Open your hosting panel, your domain registrar, your email address which you are going to use to sign up on the Cloudflare website and cloudflare.com. So on cloudflare.com, click on sign up button. Now here we are going to create a new account. If you already have the account, then you can use the existing one. But for the purpose of this video, I am going to use the freshly created Cloudflare account. Now the signing process is straightforward and quick. Here you just need to enter your email address and password. Once you enter email and password, just click on create account button and you will get an email for verification. Just click the link in the email and you are ready to go. Your Cloudflare account will be ready to use. Now I already have an account, so I'm going to click on sign in button. I'm going to click on login. Now on the home page, you will find add site button. So here we are going to add our domain. So just enter your domain name and extension, which is mixaffirmations.com. So we are going to use the mixaffirmations.com. Once you enter the domain name, just click on add site. And now here you need to select the plan. The plans available are Pro, Business and Enterprise. But as I said earlier, we are going to use the free account and we are going to install the free SSL from Cloudflare. So just click on this free option and then click on continue button. Now Cloudflare is scanning for the existing DNS records and it will gather the information and display within the seconds. So here are the DNS records for the mixaffirmations.com. You don't have to do anything with these details. Just click on continue button. Now on the screen, we will get the name servers from Cloudflare. So what we need to do is we need to replace the name servers with the name servers that is provided by Cloudflare. So for that, you need to go to the domain registrar website. I have purchased my domain from the Namecheap. On your domain, just click on manage button. Now under name server section, you will find the existing DNS details. You need to copy the name servers from Cloudflare website and then paste it on your domain registrar. Similarly, copy the second name server and then paste it as well. Once done, click on this tick icon and now you will get the message as DNS server update may take up to 48 hours to take effect. So ideally it can take up to 30 minutes to 1 hour for the name servers to get updated. Now on the Cloudflare website, once you copy pasted the name servers, just click on done check name servers button. Meantime, the name servers changes gets updated. We will configure our domain settings to improve security and optimize performance. So here click on get started. Now the first one is automatic HTTPS rewrites. This is already enabled. So just click on save button. If this is disabled, you need to click this toggle switch to enable it and then click on save button. The next one is always use HTTPS. At the moment this is disabled, so I am going to click on this toggle switch and enable it. Now click on save button. The next one is auto minify. So this will reduce the file size of the source code on your website. So the files like JavaScript, CSS and HTML, this will compress those files to load your website faster. But if you are already using the cache plugin on your website, I don't recommend to select this option. So I'm going to leave it as it is and just click on save button. The next option is Brotli, which is used to speed up the page load times for your visitors' HTTPS traffic by applying Brotli compression. At the present, this is already enabled and I'm going to keep it as it is and just click on save button. So as you can see, the summary is automatic HTTPS rewrites is turned on. Always use HTTPS option is also turned on. We kept auto minify option as it is. We haven't made any changes to auto minify, and Brotli is turned on. Now once done, click on finish button. Now here you will get the option to check the name servers. As I said, it may take up to 30 minutes to 1 hour for the name servers to get reflected. So just click on this check name servers button to check whether the name servers changes have been reflected or not. So it seems the name server changes has not yet reflected. Now click on SSL TLS option. Now here, as you can see, the traffic is encrypted between the user browser and Cloudflare. So this is handled by the Edge certificates. Now as you can see, the Edge certificate is already active here. So we are not going to make any changes in this section. Now we are going to make the changes so that the traffic encryption will take place between our origin server, which is our hosting, and Cloudflare. So for that, just click on origin server. Here there are no certificates available at the moment. Now click on create certificate button. Now we are going to keep all the options as it is, like private key type as RSA2048, then list the host names. Now choose how long before your certificate expires. You can keep it as 15 years or you can keep it for 1 year, 2 year as per your requirement. I'm going to keep it as 15 years only. Once done, click on create button. Now here we will get the origin certificate details. Now go to your hosting panel. Now select your domain on which we are going to apply the SSL. Now scroll down and go to advanced section. Here you will find the SSL option. Just click on it. Now click on import SSL. Here we are going to paste the certificate details. So go to Cloudflare website and then copy the origin certificate. Go to your cPanel and then paste it here. Go to Cloudflare, copy the private key. Now again go to cPanel and paste under private key section. Once done, click on Install SSL. Now as you can see the message, SSL is successfully installed. It is also saying that you can visit your website here, https mixaffirmations.com. The SSL is now installed and it is automatically force HTTPS on the domain. Just click on close button. And under SSL, as you can see the domain, SSL type, the status is active, expiration date, creation date, and you can also click on force HTTPS if needed. So once you copy the origin certificates to the cPanel, go to overview section and over here under your SSL TLS encryption mode, just select as full. So this will ensure the encryption end to end using the self-signed certificates on the server. So now almost 1.5 hours has passed and now it's time to go to our website and to validate whether the changes that we have made has applied to our website or not. Let's open the website on different browser. And as you can see, the HTTPS has been added to the website and there is a lock icon. If you click on this lock icon, you will see that the website is now secured. And so now here are the details. The certificate has been issued by Cloudflare and also the HTTPS has been added to our website. So that means our website is now secured and SSL certificates has got applied to our website. So that was all about how to install free SSL certificates from Cloudflare on WordPress website. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.